Have you seen those big fluffy things in the sky? What we know as clouds, one may call something else. If you actually go outside or look out your window, peek upstairs, you may see some funky stuff. Kinda seems to me like there may be some sneaky things happening in the sky right now. Either from corrupt government drones, or maybe something else in the sky. There very well may be beings just like us, similar to us, somewhat similar to us, familiar, possibly familiar, depending on your own perception, above us, below us, all around us, within us, without us. Basically, in the space, in between all the spaces that, we can't really see because we're here. In the materialism of all this splendor nothingness. I mean, okay, call me a conspiracy freak, call me a stoner, call me a subatomic superlative scientist, for I am all of those things. But who knows? Who really knows? There is bound to be somebody on this planet somewhere going around who genuinely knows what may be happening to those beautiful, beautiful fluffy clouds in our sky, because they seem somewhat manipulated with. A bit like possibly ourselves. Truths are bubbling up, get ready! Don't worry, do not live in fear or panic, because love always outweighs everything, if you allow it. Just think about how awesome, truly awesome, after we get over the hurdles and barriers from our own humanistic self-judgment. Just think when we get over them, imagine walking around in amongst a bunch of blue people. Kind of similar to us. And they've got like wings, or they've got bird faces. All you need to do is check up your ancient Egyptian history and probably talk about that another day. Plenty gossip there. But for now, yeah, those clouds. I ain't buying that's natural. Beautiful breath. That's certainly one way to react, but maybe